Hello, America. As many of you have noticed, it is now summer. That means my shop is completely overrun with spiders. I put up glue traps, they have completely overrun or ignored them. I've killed probably 12 to 13 spiders in the last 24 hours using only my hands and feet. My friend Valerie got me this rock salt shotgun. Not rock salt, just regular salt. But you load it with table salt and you can use it to blast insects. So I cornered about 3 or 4 spiders in this corner, and now we're going to test this bad boy out. It's safeties every time. Oh, whoa! Okay, America. Instant feedback. Good accuracy. The only problem is there's a safety feature that it automatically puts on the safety after every shot. Good for safety, bad for rapidly shooting spiders. So I'll probably try to take it apart and disable that. But so far, great product. Like it a lot. Thank you, America.